2025 is already here, and if you have not started your own e-commerce business, you are lagging behind because in 2025 e-commerce is going to take over the world. So in this video I'm going to share step-by-step process how you can start your own e-commerce business from scratch. Hi everyone, my name is Saklan and I have been doing e-commerce business from past 10 years. I started my first e-commerce business in 2016, and since then I have launched multiple e-commerce business on Shopify, Amazon and Etsy, and right now I am running my own e-commerce agency as well. So if you're a beginner or looking to start your own e-commerce business, this video is right for you because in this video I'm going to share step-by-step process how you can start your own e-commerce business from scratch. So before starting your own e-commerce business, you need to understand few things. For example, you need to understand how marketplace works or which software is best for you to start as a beginner. As I told you earlier, in my case I started from Shopify. So Shopify is a software which you can use to start your own e-commerce business, which can be a physical product business or it can be a digital product business. Now back in 2016 when I started, dropshipping was becoming famous. Now if you are not aware, dropshipping is a business model which allows you to send products directly to your customers from the suppliers and you are not holding any inventory, and it costs you much less because you are not spending money on inventory and you are not spending money on any warehouse. And in that way suppliers take the responsibility of shipping your products directly to your customers, so without holding any inventory you are taking orders on your website. But that business model nowadays is not much more sustainable because nowadays, as you are aware, shipping companies are taking much more responsibility and they are making their shipping fast. So now your question will be, what is the best business model nowadays you can start other than dropshipping? Let me guide you. So before starting the e-commerce business, you need to understand the marketplaces. Which are the top marketplaces you can use nowadays? Amazon is on top, and then we have the Etsy, then we have the eBay. These are the top e-commerce marketplaces which you can use to start your own e-commerce business. If I talk about Amazon, there are several businesses which you can start on Amazon. For example, Amazon FBA wholesale is one of them. That means you are going to sell branded products and you don't need to hold any private inventory. For example, you don't need any private inventory of yourself or your own brand. You are going to sell branded products which have already demand, and these products are selling on Amazon very well because all the customers who are coming on Amazon website, they are exploring those products, and these have the brands which have spent millions of dollars on their advertisement. So exactly how this business model actually works is you are going to find a niche in which you find the trending products, and then you need to apply a wholesale account with the suppliers in the country. For example, if you are going to start the Amazon FBA wholesale business in US, you need to find a supplier in US from where you can source cheap products, and then you can ship those products directly from the suppliers to Amazon warehouse, where Amazon take care of everything including shipping and customer service. So the best part is you can start this business with very less investment because you are not holding inventory, you are not having any warehouse, you are sourcing the products which have demand, and then you are going to ship those products directly to Amazon. And if there is any return, if there is any customer service, Amazon is going to manage for you, and Amazon will charge 15% for that. So what exactly you will have to do? You have to win the buy box. That means there are many sellers who are already selling these kind of products, and you have to win the buy box so that any customer who is coming to that product page, they have to add the product in the cart, and you are the sellers which is appearing in the cart section. That means you are going to get that orders. So eventually this business model is very well because you need to only find winning products, and you can use different softwares, for example Helium 10 or Keepa. And using these softwares will allow you to check the product history as well. For example, how much price these products were selling in the past couple of years. And using this software, you will be able to understand how much stock other sellers have, because in this way your inventory will not stock in Amazon warehouse. So the main structure in this business is the product. If the product is good, it has huge demand, and you can better source on that product from other suppliers, you are going to make sales. So only you have to do is you have to find the cheap products from the suppliers. Even you can source them from Europe, USA, Canada, Australia, or other countries as well, even from the China as well. So you need to find where you can find cheap suppliers of those branded products. But make sure the supplier from where you are going to source the product is listed on brand website, because in this way Amazon sometime will ask you invoices as well, and Amazon will be able to verify those invoices from the brand website. And the other business model is Amazon PL, which is private labeling, and that is much costly because you have to launch your own brand to sell the products on Amazon. And that business model is quite risky as well, because if the inventory is stuck in the Amazon warehouse and it's not selling, that means you have to keep that inventory on Amazon warehouse for a long period of time, and that is going to cost you much more money. So if you're already into Amazon FBA wholesale business, then you can start Amazon PL business. As a beginner, I would not recommend to start Amazon PL business. And the other business model of Amazon is Amazon KDP. That means Amazon Kindle, where you can sell ebooks on Amazon. And that can be digital ebooks, or even that can be notebooks as well. Maybe many of you are not aware, Amazon was started as a bookseller company in 90s. And the other e-commerce platform is eBay, where you can also sell branded products as well as second-hand products as well. And eBay is very famous for bidding. That means you can sell second-hand products on eBay, and if any customer is going to win the bid, you have to ship that product directly to that customer. Most people also use Amazon and eBay for dropshipping business model as well, but in my opinion, it's risky because they suspend the account. If you are going to start your own dropshipping business, you can use Shopify. And if you are going to start on Shopify, you need to bring traffic to your own website through marketing. That can be paid marketing or even can be organic marketing on TikTok. There are plenty of platforms for organic marketing you can use, for example, TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook. And even you can do better SEO of your products, and these products will appear in search engine whenever customer is going to search for those products on Google. And the third platform is Etsy, where you can sell physical and digital products. So recently Etsy has announced different payment gateways. For example, you can connect your own Pioneer account with the Etsy to sell your own products. So even if you are in Pakistan or India, you can connect your own Pioneer account to receive the payments. Now Etsy is the most famous to sell handmade products, for example carpets, clean or rugs. But if you are selling on eBay, Amazon and Etsy, I would highly recommend to connect your store with Shopify as well, because in this way you will be able to get orders from all over the world on your store. But if you are going to open your account on Etsy, Etsy will charge you a $15 upfront to open your account, and then 20 cents for each listing as well, which will be renewed after every 4 months. So if you're planning or just going to start your own e-commerce business, your main thing will be your product, and your product should solve a bigger problem. You should be choosing a niche in which you can find a gap in the market. For example, if you're going to sell the t-shirts, you need to understand who is your ideal customers who is going to buy your t-shirts, whether it's a teen, it's a kid, or any other ideal customer whom you are going to target. So if you are selling on marketplaces, tags are very important in the title and in the description, because these are the marketplaces which are getting millions of customers on daily basis, and if you are putting right tags, your product will appear in such results and you will get good sales. But in the meantime, if you are selling on Shopify, you need to advertise your products by yourself, because Shopify don't have the marketplace section like Amazon and Etsy. So you can market on Google, YouTube, Instagram and Facebook to bring traffic to your website. But nowadays it is a costly option, because these marketplaces cost you much more to bring traffic to your websites, because nowadays even you can use AI to create content for your business. There are different tools which you can use to create your own design, even you can create your own script, even you can use those tools to create your own voiceover. So by using the AI, you can bring free traffic to your website, and that will increase your profit margins because you are not spending money on ads. So there are a few major things which matters while you are starting your own e-commerce business, and first thing is customer reviews. Make sure to deliver your products on early basis to your customer. In that way, you will get returning customer rate. That will increase your average order value and your sales will be much more higher. If you are not getting returning customer rate, that means you are spending much more on ads, and in that way, when you are going to launch your own new products, you have to advertise that product again. So building your own email list is very important, because in this way, all the customers who have bought products from you in the past, they will be able to explore new products from email marketing, and you don't need to spend much more money on ads. So building your own email list and getting the reviews from customer is very important. Even you can get those reviews on Google reviews as well, because all the customers who are going to purchase from your website, they will be checking your reviews on Google and all other platforms. So building your own website and then getting the reviews is some kind of like word of mouth, because although customers who have purchased from you, they will be telling other friends, customers and family members to purchase from your own website. And other thing is search engine optimization. That means SEO. I know many companies who are spending $1,000 per month on SEO. That means you are getting the free traffic from those search engines on your website. And if your cost of advertising is low, that means your margins are high. In that way, you will be able to scale your business. And by saving this money, you can spend that money on content creation, where you can hire agencies to create organic content for your business on Instagram, TikTok or Facebook. Because nowadays, shorts are getting much more viral. So if you are creating content for your business on those platforms, it will bring you much more sales. I personally know many websites who are just relying on short content. So creating short content for your business is very important. So rather than hiring your own team, which will cost you much more, you can also outsource that part to content agencies, which can do filming, editing, creating content, and even they can do voiceover as well. So your only job will be to post the content on your social media, and most importantly, you can focus on other parts of your business. For example, production, and even you can focus on product line, customer service, and then connecting your store to more marketplaces. So just focus on one product at the beginning, and when that product is going to generate sale, then you can expand in your niche. For example, if you are into bedding niche, maybe you can start with the mattress, and later on you can expand into curtains, bed sheets, pillows, blankets, and all other bedding related products. So in this way, when one product is bringing sales, you are building your own customer list, and later on when you are going to expand in your niche, you can simply use email marketing, as I told you earlier, to bring traffic to your website, and that will bring you a lot more sales. And even you can sell digital products on Etsy as well. For example, you can sell mockups. So these are the mockups which help content creators and even Etsy sellers as well. So if you go to Etsy and then search for mockups, there will be plenty of mockups. Maybe that can be print on demand, and even you can sell ebooks, planner, template, digital art. So there are plenty of digital products which you can sell on Etsy. After getting the few sales, you will also get the option to advertise your shop on Etsy, where all the customers who are coming to Etsy, when you are going to advertise, your products will appear top in the search results. So if you are going to sell on those marketplaces, doing your SEO, search engine optimization, is the major thing, because in this way, all of those products, when a customer is going to use the search engine to search those products on those marketplaces, your product will appear on the top. So I hope this video will help you to start your own e-commerce business. If you want to start your own e-commerce business, or if you want to grow your e-commerce business, you can check the first link in description. Thank you for watching this video. I will be back soon with more useful content.